Hello everyone, my Artsnacks box for the month of March has just arrived, and it's an anniversary box. I think Artsnacks been around for 5 years, so they have a little special thing in there to celebrate. Ooh, Warhead, extreme sour. Ooh. And what is this? Oh my gosh, look at this. It's adorable. I'm assuming that's a little surprise. I don't know, but it's really cute. Cute little pencil case with the Artsnacks logo on it, and has 2 compartments, it looks like. There we go. It's really adorable. Oh, 2 compartments. Very nice. The color is beautiful too. Oh, interesting. Little stickers. Artsnacks sticker sheet. Limited edition. Huh. That's great. I can put that on my sketchbooks. And so with this month's supplies, I'm going to do the challenge, and for me the challenge will be to make the portrait of Dennis, the winner of the giveaway that I had a couple weeks ago. I said I was going to use these supplies here to make his portrait, but I just don't know what supplies we have. So he already sent me a picture, and I'll make it with a Copic chow. It's a red of some sort. Cardinal. Oh, that's funny. I thought the chow had a brush. Oh wait, the brush is on the other side. Yeah, nice brush and a chisel tip. And then another Copic, and it's a multi-liner. It's a 1, which is pretty big. But these are great because they're waterproof and they're Copic proof, so when they're dry on the paper I can go over with watercolors or with alcohol-based markers, and they're not going to smudge. And what do we have here? Fabrice, oh, Lyra pencils, the giants. You know, I have a set of giant Lyras of skin tones, and they're really nice. They're really creamy. I hope these are just as good. So I have a red and a purple. It's too bad there's no color names on those. I always like having color names on my color pencils. Anyway, this is what we get. And it's really cool. I really like this little pencil holder. So stay tuned. I'm going to try these out, and then I'm going to make the portrait of Mr. Dennis. Well, to start with, I forgot to press the play button on my video camera, so sorry about that, but luckily I was not very far ahead. I had only started on the eyes. I decided not to do any swatches because to me, colored pencils and... Hey, hi, sunshine. Hi. Sorry about that. Anyway, so yeah, no swatches because I'm familiar with colored pencils already, and the Copic markers and all that, and the fine liners. So I decided to jump right into the portrait. Dennis, I hope you like red and purple. They're not very good colors this month to make a portrait, but I'm sorry, that's all we got. And I knew it was going to be a challenge making a portrait with whatever came in the box, regardless of the colors, but a challenge is a challenge, so here we go. First I thought I'd use a fine liner to just do the line drawing, but it's a 1mm, and so it's pretty thick for the details like the eyes and all. So I decided just to use it on the outside line, and that's it. The Copic marker is a cardinal red, which is beautiful, but again, not necessarily for the portrait. So I only used it for the hair and the background. I really like this color, but it's really dark. And so I only had the two pencils left, the purple and the red, and that's what I used for the skin tone, which is a bit weird, but at least I had one shadow and one skin colorish. I did cheat a little bit. I used some mineral spirit to blend the pencils a little bit. I think it helped making it a bit smoother. But other than that, that's all I've got for you, Dennis. Sorry. Actually, this is what I did with the box, but after I took the pictures, I went back with a white gel pen and I refined the highlights a little bit on the eyes and around the mouth and a few other areas. So I'll send this to you as soon as I can, and I hope you like it in spite of the strange colors. Thank you for participating. Thanks everybody for watching, and if you like this, I might end up doing it again next month for the next Artsnacks box. So keep your eyes peeled for the video that will announce the next giveaway. Thanks again everyone. See you soon. Bye bye.